Unlocking wisdom, exploring philosophies for life. Delve into a journey of self-discovery as we explore age-old wisdom. Philosophy isn't just academic, it's a guide for life. Ancient thinkers pondered life's big questions. Their philosophies are still relevant, providing modern tools for understanding ourselves and our world. Let's first visit ancient Greece. Meet Aristotle and Plato. Their philosophies illuminate the importance of virtue, knowledge, and the pursuit of the good life. Next, we stride through Eastern philosophies. The teachings of Confucius, Buddha, and Laozi emphasize balance, compassion, and inner peace, a balm for modern stress. We'll explore existentialism next, daring to confront life's absurdities. Sartre and Nietzsche encourage personal responsibility, authenticity, and the courage to create meaning. Finally, we'll consider contemporary philosophies. They challenge our assumptions, pushing us to question, learn, and grow. Philosophy truly is for everyone. Join us as we unlock these timeless teachings. Together, we'll discover how philosophies for life can enlighten our path and enrich our journey.